And Indigo, the airline that once bragged about Indigo Standard Time, has now gone into a full-blown tailspin. The government of India has now stepped in, ordering a high-level inquiry into this unprecedented breakdown that's left thousands of passengers across India stranded for hours. When I say hours, some even 24 hours waiting, not going back, hoping that they catch their flight. If not, they might not even get it for the next few days. Today alone, over 400 Indigo flights were cancelled, and in total last 4 days, we hear 1,000 flights have been cancelled. Major airports were filled with angry flyers and protests that broke out, many of them even reporting baggage loss. What caused such a catastrophic failure at an airline that controls 60% of India's skies? A pilot rostering disaster, a planning failure so big that even Indigo admits that it misjudged and fumbled the rollout of the DGCA's second phase of the FDTL crew rest norms. Remember, the DGCA, right after the Air India crash, in fact, right before that itself, had formulated guidelines for airlines to follow and ensure they don't overwork their staff, because passenger safety is priority. And therefore, they had given set timelines for crew to work, not more than 8 hours. And if you are traveling overnight, then you will get one full day rest and whatnot. So Indigo, clearly looking at this situation at this point, has not planned in advance for the holiday season. Some technical glitches plus this roster implemented. We see Indigo had a total meltdown which they did not anticipate. Their on-time performance crashed to a shocking 8.5%, a number that is unheard of for a market leader like Indigo. The disruptions has now triggered a nationwide passenger emergency. The Civil Aviation Ministry has slammed emergency measures that they're now trying to bring into action, some quick measures to try and fix the problem at the earliest. They're constituting a 4-member committee to pinpoint responsibility. The DGCA has granted Indigo relief from night duty restrictions now for pilots and allowing a little easing of the duty time norms just to prevent a deeper collapse, so that this can pass, at least a holiday season disaster they could overcome. To protect passengers caught in this mess now, the DGCA has asked airlines to ensure that full refunds are given for all the flights that are cancelled up to December 15th. Hotel accommodation for stranded flyers mandatory, priority support for the elderly and differently abled, constant flight status updates should be provided through improved digital monitors, and refreshments and essentials for those who are stuck at airports for hours. These are the complaints that passengers had, that the airlines completely ignored their grievance. Well, Indigo tonight has apologized. In its statement, the airline concedes that its network has been significantly disrupted for few days and that planning gaps had triggered this chaos.